So hey students, welcome to NCERT Solutions by Vedantu, where we find solutions to all the problems which is given in your NCERT to make sure you're exam ready. This is Basavaraj, I'm your biology master teacher. Now, as I said earlier, we solve questions for all the chapters, for all the subjects. Now, here we have a question. We have a question here from the chapter Human Reproduction. Now, let's quickly read the question and find the answer for it. The question is 2.8. The question says define spermiogenesis. They're asking you to define spermiogenesis and also spermiation. So they're asking you to define spermiogenesis and spermiation. First and foremost, you need to know both these processes. Both these processes, that is spermiogenesis as well as spermiation, right? They are part of spermatogenesis. Both of these processes are part of spermatogenesis. And this concept, right, the concept between spermiogenesis and spermiation is equally important for your CBSE board, and also your NEET examination. This question has been asked in NEET examination several amount of time. What is the difference between spermiation and spermiogenesis? Now, as I mentioned earlier, both the processes are involved in spermatogenesis. Now, let's quickly look at what is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is a process. I repeat, spermiogenesis is a process where spermiogenesis is a process. Let me just write so that you don't get confused. Let me write it down. Spermio. Please focus on the spelling here and the words. Spermiogenesis is a process in where your spermatids are transformed. Spermatids are transformed. Let me write it here. They are transformed into spermatozoa. Spermatozoa is also known as sperms. Spermatid, which is the result of your second meiotic division. Spermatid, which is the result of your secondary meiotic division, undergoes transformation. It transfers, it changes its structure into sperms, and the process of conversion of spermatid to spermatozoa is called as spermiogenesis. Now, what about spermiation? So, once the sperms are produced, right? Once the sperms are produced, these sperms will embed, right? They'll take the head, they will go get stuck inside the Sertoli cells. I repeat, once the sperms are produced, right? Now we have the sperms. Now what happens to the sperms? After spermatogenesis, the sperms which are produced, right? The sperms will go embed its head into the Sertoli cells. And once the time comes, the sperms are released. And once the time comes, the sperms are released from where? From seminiferous tubules. The sperms are released from seminiferous tubules. That process of release of sperms is called as spermiation. The release of sperms from seminiferous tubule is called as spermiation. Now, if you want to look at more into it, let's quickly look at the structure which is given in your NCERT. So NCERT says here, this is your spermatozoa, spermatid. Transformation of spermatid to spermatozoa is your spermiation. Then you have your sperm. Can you see the sperm is embedding its head into the Sertoli cells, and release of this sperm from the Sertoli cells from the seminiferous tubule is called as spermiation. There it is, the complete definition of both spermiation and spermatogenesis and also spermiation. All these concepts are very important for your boards and also the NEET examination. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will solve the doubt. And also, if you love the video, if you love the content, if you want to solve more doubts, if you have any doubts, subscribe to the channel and like the video to make sure you do not miss any of the content which is uploaded on this channel. So until next time.